Kapila Muni explains that when he's asked to define his mother, Devahuti said, "What is a devotee?" And then he said, "Tatikshra Karunika Surida Sarvadehana." Third canto of Bhagavatam, Kapila Muni is instructing Devahuti in a famous verse which is often quoted to define the characteristics of the sadhu. Third canto, chapter 25, verse 21. Tatikshava Karunika Surida Sarvadehanam Ajata Shatrava Shanta Sarava Sarubhushana. You might recognize this phrase, Ajata Shatru. Shatru means enemy, and Jana means born. Ajanam or Ajat means not born. So this isn't, this term, this phrase, this is philosophy. It's philosophy and definition of what is a sadhu, what is a saintly person, what are the qualities of a devotee. This is from the idea, which is correct, of Kapila Muni. But this phrase, Ajata Shatrava, you may recognize from Mahabharata, when they're describing Yudhishthira. Yudhishthira Maharaj is described as Ajata Shatru. No enemy was ever born. Certainly he's a very lucky person. I would have loved to have that quality. So, it's those are very lucky sadhus. In Kali Yuga, I don't think any sadhu is free from having enemies. It's the age is like that. Friends and enemies. You've heard this term, friends and enemies. Tatikshava Krinika Sarida Sarvadehanam Ajata Shatrava Shanta Sarva Sarabhushanam. Tatikshava, tolerant, Karunika, merciful, compassionate, Surida, very friendly, kind, helpful, Sarvadehinam, Karunika Surida Sarvadehinam. He's friendly to all. Our Srila Prabhupada, a friend to all. There's a book like that. So this is because he's a great sadhu. He's Siddha Purush, great saint. So we describe the saint as like this. Surida Sarvadehinam. Sarvadehi, it doesn't say Sarva Manush. It doesn't say Sarva Purush, Sarva Manush. It doesn't say all, he doesn't say friendly to all men. Not, it says all Dehi. Dehi means all embodied beings. All embodied beings. Every jiva has some type of body. So the true sadhu, he's very friendly. That's what he says. He's very merciful and friendly to all living entities.